PrestaShop Paylater with PayPlug and Donay. Discover the new module of the PrestaShop Essentials suite. Boost your conversion rate with payment in installments without any risk for your cash flow. PrestaShop Paylater is available on your modules catalog, on the payments category, or on the PrestaShop add-ons marketplace. Let's start. Click on Start Configuration to begin the setup. To activate PrestaShop Paylater, let's start by connecting your PrestaShop account. This is your unique entry key for all modules of the PrestaShop Essentials suite. To connect your PrestaShop account, simply use your email address and password. Then allow access to your account. To start offering payment in installments on your store, connect your PayPlug account, our payment partner for the Paylater module. If you don't have a PayPlug account, click on I don't have a PayPlug account yet to create one. On the PayPlug interface, enter your business email address and choose a password. Then click Continue. Enter the URL of your e-commerce and select your country. Then click on Continue. Under How would you like to use PayPlug online, choose PrestaShop. Then estimate the revenue you expect to generate on the platform to get a customized PayPlug experience. Almost done. Your PayPlug account has been created. To activate it, you must now complete your online registration. You will be asked to share some information about your business and to upload your official documents and bank details. Once your file is completed, you only need the validation from PayPlug and Donay to start receiving payments. While waiting for the validation, you can try the test feature on your e-commerce store. Be aware that this is a simulation and your customers will not be able to generate real transactions. Once your account is validated, simply activate Paylater payments by clicking on the On button. You can choose to offer payments with fees, split between you and your customers, or without fees, where you cover them fully. To learn more about the fees applied, check the details on the PrestaShop Paylater page of our website. You can also set the minimum and maximum order amounts for which you want to offer payment in installments. This amount must be between 100 and 3,000 euros. By clicking on Advanced Settings, you can choose to display the Donay split payment option on your product page, your shopping cart page, and your checkout page. We recommend checking all of these options to optimize the performance of the PrestaShop Paylater module. Finally, optimize your user's experience by integrating a dynamic 3 or 4 times payment schedule calculation to your site. To do so, simply tick the checkbox. And that's it! You are ready to increase your sales and your average shopping cart value with PrestaShop Paylater with PayPlug and Donay. Still have questions about split payments? Check the PrestaShop Paylater FAQ on our website.